I wanted to wish everyone a happy 4th of July. Also wanted to mention a massive sale that's going on at Signature Solar. And if you use discount code Garage50, it's going to save you some more. But they have a really big sale going on solar panels, also batteries, and free shipping. So I'm going to go over 3 panels, I'm going to go over some batteries, and then talk about the free shipping. So 3 panels that stood out. The first one is the ZnShine. It's a 395 watt mono panel. If you purchase a pallet, it's $67.15 per panel. I've never seen prices that low. You can purchase individual panels. I think it's around $71 per panel, but just a massive sale there. For the bifacial panels, you have the Canadian solar panels. They are 415 watts. You're looking at $103.75, so $103.75 per panel. If you purchase a pallet of them, you can purchase individually. Once again, just a little bit more. And then the Tailsun 450 watt bifacial panels, those are $153 each per panel. They are massive panels, much bigger than the Tailsun 380s that I'm running, but Tailsun makes some really good panels. Actually, all of them are really good panels. As far as batteries, they do have 10% off on a lot of the EG4 batteries. So, for example, this EG4 314 amp hour indoor battery, this is going to be on sale. The outdoor battery is also on sale. I believe they're both 10% off. I'm going to be doing a detailed review on this battery soon. And then the Wiren batteries, they are $50 off. Now I have a rack of Wirens here. I have 2 more racks of Wiren batteries I'm going to be putting together. And EG4 and Wiren make some really good batteries. They're also all UL listed, which is extremely good as well. Now, as far as the free shipping, it is qualified orders. If it's over $3,000, you can qualify for free shipping depending on the items. So hopefully that will save you some extra money. But I wanted to make sure that you are all aware of this sale and also that you have a happy and safe 4th of July. Now, be really careful with those fireworks. Make sure they're not by your solar panels because they will cause damage. And I want to make sure that everybody has 10 fingers by the end of the weekend. So I'll see you in the next video.